Hi job seekers. Welcome back to our channel Career Connectivity 365. Let us see today's hot and trending jobs for freshers and experienced. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe along with notification bell icon. Share these opportunity to those in need of an awesome jobs with latest updates. HCL Technologies. Experienced fresher. Location Chennai, Delhi NCR, Bengaluru. Roles and responsibilities. Review, design, develop and implementation. Understand new requirements and come up with design for new features. Design new features with optimized ways and ability to handle required scale and work on implementation. Work along with geographically dispersed teams and client engineers in coming up with the design and implementation approaches. Support through the qualification cycles. Work closely with the functional and end-to-end test teams to troubleshoot problems found in integration testing. Handling problems reported from the field and coming up with quick resolution, workaround, recovery and fixes. Interpersonal skills. Strong written and oral communication skills. Excellent documentation skills. Strong presentation and interpersonal skills. Ability to present ideas in user-friendly manner. Desired candidate profile. Education, B.B. Tech from batch 2020 only. Eligibility criteria: minimum 75% throughout in academics, 10th, 12th diploma, graduation. Salary details. CTC 3 Indian rupees and 50 paise LPA. Please note, the probation period is 12 months. Service agreement period is 24 months. Location Pan India. Should be flexible to work in a 24/7 environment. Only 2020 batch students can apply using below link. JP Morgan Chase. Experience 10 plus years. Job description. Location Bangalore. Public Cloud Platform Software Engineer, Vice President. When you work at JP Morgan Chase & Co., you're not just working at a global financial institution. You're an integral part of one of the world's biggest tech companies. In 14 technology hubs worldwide. Responsibilities. Solving the company's most challenging cloud problems by building innovative technical solutions. Focus on automation as first-class operating model to ensure stability and velocity during development. Implement acceptance tests to ensure the product meets the business goal and specification. Create efficient integrations between on-premises enterprise systems and cloud provider services. Work with customers to provide in-depth technology solutions to their business problems. Lead, coach and mentor the organization with practical examples, hands-on workshops and papers. Skills and experience. BS degree in computer science or related technical field or equivalent practical experience. 10 plus years of significant programming experience in one or more of the following: Java, Python or Go. Technical experience in O web scalability, highly available architectures, load balancing, scale out. O messaging middleware, application interoperability, ActiveMQ, MQ series, SQS. O storage technologies, object and block storage. O database, SQL and NoSQL. Dynamo, Postgres, MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server. O key, CD pipelines and tool sets. O networking, TCP, IP, DNS, firewalls. OOS, Linux, RHEL. O cybersecurity fundamentals and working knowledge. O testing, Zunit, Fitness, Cucumber. Experience designing, developing, or maintaining production-grade cloud solutions in cloud ecosystems such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud Platform. A systems thinker with hands-on experience with lean and agile methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban. Shell. Location, Bangalore. EXP 3 to 5. About Digital Center of Expertise. Shell's Digital Center of Expertise, part of Shell's Technology Business Unit, offers the opportunity to lead the digital transformation of the energy industry. We are a world-leading community of industrial scientists and engineers committed to using cutting-edge R&D to take us through the energy transition into a winning position in a low-carbon world. What's the role? Key to your success in this role will be your analytical expertise at finding and interpreting rich data sources, managing large amounts of data, merging data sources, ensuring consistency of datasets, and finally, skillfully presenting and communicating the data insights and results. As data scientist, you'll be working closely with various Shell businesses. You will apply data science algorithms in linear algebra, statistics, optimization, machine learning, signal processing, system identification, etc. and develop new algorithms to solve a portfolio of data science R&D projects. Your predictive models will help Shell's businesses make better decisions and facilitate the latest digital developments in the energy industry. Skills required. 3 to 5 years of data science related work experience is preferable. Expertise in optimization, signal processing, Kalman filtering, particle filtering etc. Experience of developing advanced models and algorithms. Hands-on experience in code development, Python. Tangible publications, reports, presentations or deployed tools. strong interpersonal communication, facilitation, and presentation skills. Stay tuned for next update. Thank you. See you in next video.